Understanding regularly scheduled in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Regularly scheduled. This phrase is often used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more fluent in English. So, let's get started. Regularly scheduled refers to events or activities that are planned to occur at specific, consistent intervals. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, or any other regular period. The key here is consistency and pre-planning. When something is regularly scheduled, it happens at the same time and in the same manner, according to a set plan or timetable. Examples of regularly scheduled events include weekly meetings, daily classes, monthly newsletters, or annual conferences. These events are organized in advance and occur at expected times, making them predictable for everyone involved. Using regularly scheduled in sentences is straightforward. You typically place it before the noun that describes the event or activity. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. Our team meetings are regularly scheduled for Mondays at 10 a.m. The train service is regularly scheduled to depart every hour on the hour. She attends a regularly scheduled yoga class every Wednesday evening. It's also common to hear this phrase in announcements or notifications, especially when there's a change or cancellation. Due to the holiday, the regularly scheduled programming will be adjusted. The regularly scheduled maintenance of the software has been postponed to next week. Understanding and using regularly scheduled is important for several reasons. Clarity. It clearly communicates the consistency and reliability of an event or activity. Planning. It helps in organizing one's schedule around these events since their timing is predictable. Professionalism. Using this phrase correctly can add a level of professionalism to your communication, especially in business or academic settings. And there you have it. Regularly scheduled is a handy phrase that denotes consistency, reliability, and planning in English. Whether you're talking about meetings, classes, or any other events, knowing how to use this phrase can significantly enhance your English communication skills. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect.